Cool.
Yeah.
Full backup is in compressed format. Verify backup file and size. Check database size. Backup a single table. Drop the database. Restore full database. Restore a single table. Export readable SQL dump with metadata, schema, data, and indexes. Now I hand it over to Cabello to explain chapter 16's code.
Right. So yeah, obviously, what I was reading was pretty much like chapter 16. So chapter 16, was pretty much deals all the stuff that needs to deal with. So yeah, what you've got here in step one, connect to the GIS analysis database. So you Postgre log in as a Postgre super user. So obviously I have to log in first as one. Then connect to the GIS analysis database, and then prompts for password. So that's what W is. So GIS analysis is connect to the GIS analysis database, and W prompt for password. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. So yeah, so you have, so as you can see here on my CMD, I ran PSQL, Postgre, GIS analysis, W. So yeah, that's what I ran. So as you can see, it requires my password, which is, you know, abyss 385 hashtag #06. As you can see here, it connected to my GIS analysis, as you can see. So it's got a warning. Console code 437 differs from Windows code page. 8-bit characters might not work. Definitely. SC PSQL reference. So page notes for Windows users for details. Type helpful help. So that's pretty much what you're dealing with here. So yeah, the next one is gonna be so obviously we import Sante free linear water shapefile. So obviously my tutor, told me that this is what they used to do back in the day before PG admin came to the fore. So run this in CMD not inside PSQL. So this creates a spatial index after import. S4269 set the coordinate system, then W Latin, handle special characters, then Santa Fe linear water 2016. Name to give the new table. Then PSQL pipe the output directly into PostgreSQL. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. So yeah. So as you can see here, because I ran this within my PSQL, it's not returning anything. Whereas I run this in my CMD, come on. I'm using PowerShell, damn it. Right, let me just use, I'm using PowerShell, you know. Well, that sucks. So as you can see here, as run PowerShell. So as you can see, a shapefile type arg post g type multi-string 2 then password base 385 hashtag #06 sets and begin error. Oh, the reason why we gain is because Santa line water 2016 already exists. So as you can see here, these are pretty much the commands that you usually see in PG admin. In PG in PG admin, line water already exists, but because it's in PowerShell, we got a, we got a different one. So yeah, it's pretty much what we're dealing with here. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with. Yeah. Then let me run this. Yes. Okay. So, right. So as you can see here, so step three, import Santa Fe roads shapefile. Same flags as above, but for the roads shapefile, Santa Fe roads 2016 name to give the new table in PostgreSQL. So as you can see here, same thing as before. See if this is what you're dealing with here. Yeah, this is what you're dealing with here, man. So as you can see here, I got an error because my file already exists. So yeah, this reminds you of the query that will be sent back in our PG admin. You know what I mean? In my PG admin. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much redeemed here. So yeah. So step four, switch to GIS analysis database if not already there. So connect switch to a different database. List all tables in the current database. Verify all four tables exist. Farmers, markets, spatial river system, Santa Fe linear water. 2016 Santa Fe roads. 2016 US counties. 2016. You know what I mean? So on and so forth. Okay. So as you can see here, right? So as you can see here, you got that. So GIS analysis, I mean GIS analysis, you know, so yeah, that's pretty much what you're dealing with. So yeah, so it would be the same as before, you have a callback, right? So let's do this, GIS analysis or GIS analysis. Oh yeah, I'm not in CIMDB. I wish I was. Yeah. Okay, right. I'm still continuing. I'm still going on. So don't worry about that. So as you can see, it says you're now connected to database GIS analysis. This is a Postgre dot GIS analysis, so on and so forth. As you can see, GIS analysis equals hashtag slash DT schema public. All of them are public. The name farmers markets Santa Fe linear water. So the and Santa Fe Road 2016 Spatial Ref System. Yes, County 2010 vacuum test type table. Post report. Postgre. So I can see these are all the just analysis equal to or hashtag tables. So these are all the tables like in the database. As you can see, list of tables. Step 5, check geometry type of the water table. Same geometry type returns the type of geometry, multi-line string, polygon point, etc. So limit one from Santa Fe linear water, 2016 Santa Fe geometry, so on and so forth. So yeah, so as you can see here, what geometry type, multi-string, check geometry type of the water table. So Saint multi-line string, so that's geometry type. Saint multi-line string, row one. So that's the geometry type here. So that's pretty much the geometry type here. So same thing here, multi-line string. Yeah. Same thing here, same thing, identify roads. Just one, limit one, since geometry type, since multi-line string. One row, G is describe the table structure. So D shows all column names and data types. Use this to confirm exact column names before querying. So scientific line water 2016. So column GID ANSI code linear arid full name arid path MTFCC geometry indexes type integer character varying age character varying 22 character varying 100 character varying 1 character varying 1 5 geometry multi-line string 469 collation nullable not null default next val Santa Fe linear water 2016 dissect, register class, indexes, Santa Fe linear water 2016 primary key, B tree, JIT, Santa Fe line water 2016, geometry IDX, gist. That means that's pretty much what you're dealing with here. Then Santa Fe Road 2016. JIT linear arid full name RCT type MTFCC geometry. Yeah, integer character varying 22, character varying 1, character varying 1, character varying 5, geometry multi-line string 4269, collation nullable not null, and the next vowel Santa Fe roads, and in 2016 JIT SEQ register class, then indexes to Santa Fe roads 2016 primary key, B tree JIT. So as you can see here, this is the B tree that you're dealing with here. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much what you're dealing with here. And then what else we have? Step 8, find all the roads that cross Santa Fe River. Saint intersects returns true if two geometries share one piece. Water and alias, Santa Fe line water 2016. Road and alias, Santa Fe Road 2016. RTTYP route type code, municipal state, interstate results, ordered alphabetically by road name, right? Ordered alphabetically by road name. So select water full name, as waterway. So as you can see here, select water that full name. So as waterway, so same thing as the last time. Roads RTT type, roads full name as road. Then from Santa Fe linear water, 2016 water. Then join Santa Fe roads, 2016 roads. Then ST intersects water geometry roads, geometry way roads, water. The full name equals Santa Fe River, and then order by roads full name are RTTYP road. So the waterway Santa Fe River, all of them, RTTYP MMCCC, and then road Bacalanche, Cam Alaya, Cam Carlos Rail, and then these are different types of roads that you're dealing with here. And then yeah, that's pretty much what you're dealing with. And then find the 5 largest U.S. Counties by square miles. So that's pretty much what you're dealing with here. So yeah, these are different types of roads that you're dealing with here. So yeah, So yeah, that would do is it will return, the results or the largest, smallest. So yeah, what this would do is it would return like find the five largest US counties by square miles. That's what it would do. Ain't loading. Ah, okay, finally. I see the name Yukon Q Cook, North Slope, Bethel, Northwest Arctic, Valdez, Cordova, 0202020202, then 147,147,147,000 47,805.88 and 4,796.21, 45,504.36, 40,748.95, 40,340.08. So that's pretty much what I was dealing with. That's pretty much what we're dealing with here. And then the last command is exit PSQL and return to CMD prompt. That's the last one. So yeah, I mean that's chapter 16. Thank you very much, James, for navigating that video. Take care, God bless, and yeah, I'll see you for chapter 17. Thank you.